Welcome to Drawing Technique 101, Stippling. In this tutorial, I'll show you how I transformed a traditional stippling rose drawing into digital art. Stippling is a drawing technique that uses dots to create shading texture and depth. Did you catch that sound of the dots? We will use this idea to recreate the stippling effect digitally. Alright, let's dive into creating a digital version of the rose using stippling technique. First, I am drawing the rose structure. This will help me when I recreate the stippling effect digitally. Then here I am adding new layer to create another set of sketch to make my guidelines more cleaner and neater. So here is the brush I used. It's the preset watercolor point brush. Here, I am just renaming the brush and adding it to custom tabs so I won't forget about it. Also, here I am just moving it up so I could easily see it. Over on the right, you'll see the brush settings. I left most of the options as they were, but I made a small adjustment to the jitter setting. This way, I could achieve that stippling look without having to draw each dot individually. I'm going to give you a quick overview of how this works. First off, make sure not to change the brush size. Keeping it the same will help your dots look uniform. Instead, you should tweak the jitter setting to manage how far apart the dots are spaced. Have you noticed how adjusting the jitter setting can change things up? You can pick your brush size, but remember not to mess with it once you start drawing. This is the fun part. I've started using the customized brush. I won't go into details at this point as I've already tackled that at the beginning of the video. What you will see is just a time-lapse version of my drawing. Also, I stick with the customized brush setting when I use the eraser tool to clean my drawing. Here's the finished drawing. What did you think of the video? If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you want to see more stuff like this, feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time!